we're here today with Kevin Neal, who is CEO of P3ID, which you can see in his background there. For purposes of today, we're talking with Kevin about TWAIN and TWAIN Direct and what TWAIN can do to advance the capture industry and make capture easier for end users as well as vendors. Let me look at my notes here. Kevin is a marketing chair as well as a board member for TWAIN. And by way of introduction, I'm Bryant Duhan. I'm editor of the Document Imaging Report, published by InfoSource. So what is the value of TWAIN and TWAIN Direct for vendors to include in their scanners and scanner and as well as software availability?
You're right. You can tell, I always have to temper my excitement to talk about TWAIN Direct, but there's a history with TWAIN Classic. So there's basically two versions of the TWAIN driver: the TWAIN Classic version, which I just described, which is software application to device, but it's a compiled application that's usually installed on a Windows PC or a Linux system or a Macintosh system. So it's an installed application. So, and that's worked for 20, 25 years. The TWAIN working group and all the contributors to the project have made TWAIN a very solid standard, and a lot of people love it. So TWAIN Classic, tried and true, but you install it. Typically was designed for behind the firewall. But now with cloud services and web services and API, we are creating a new version of the TWAIN driver and a specification, but it's an API instead of a specification. So because it's an API and applications programmer interface, and it's a RESTful API, people can host the API as a cloud. So instead of creating a software application to the device, you can create a software application that integrates into a cloud server that then manages all of your different TWAIN Direct compatible devices. So it's drastically different to enable rapid deployment, a rapid integration, to integrate with third-party applications and web services, to integrate mobile devices and develop applications quicker. So TWAIN Direct is about a 3-year-old project now, and we're very excited to have new kind of partners and end user organizations come in, ask questions about the TWAIN Direct project, download the code, actually start developing an application with it, with TWAIN Direct. So it's a very exciting time, and we've got a lot of activities that I'll share with you in these next couple minutes here, Bryant. So very exciting time for TWAIN Working Group and TWAIN Direct.
As always, great to talk to you. Thank you for the time. Thank you for your insights. And look forward to seeing you at September 7th in Chicago at the Capture Conference in
Chicago.
Chicago, thank you.
Same place as last year, yeah.
Thanks, Evan.
All right, thanks, Brian. I appreciate it. Always good to talk to you.